Oh, wow. How about that? Unbelievable. Wow, this is a crazy one, guys. So I been out checking some moles. I wasn't planning on being home this night, and man, it is so dry out. I was walking through, I walked down a bunch of runs. I came walking back through and I saw this little small area from here to here, about, I don't know, 15 inches. And I saw it, as I started to take a step, I saw it move. So I stopped and I thought, and it stopped. So I figured it heard me take my step. And so I went ahead and just stood still a little minute, and then I went ahead and set my camera up, and I've been waiting over here, waiting for this guy. But since he's in a little, such a small area, and he's right in the middle of a little small run, and it's so dry, I took a stab at just hitting on both sides of him, and sure enough, ripped him right out. So I'll tell you what, this is an exciting one for me, especially in such dry conditions. But anyway, God bless you all from the Mole Eliminator. Let's go catch some moles.